today we're on our way over to Disney's Hollywood Studios, and we're going specifically because this weekend is the grand opening weekend for the new Toy Story Land, which we're really looking forward to seeing. It's going to be extremely crowded and hot, we know, but we're making that sacrifice for you, our viewers, to bring to you what's new at Disney. Taking one for the team, that's right. So, here's an exciting development. This is going to be the station here at Hollywood Studios. You can see the Tower of Terror, where the new Sky Ride is going to come into, right here at Hollywood Studios. You can see they're building all the platforms for it. Here's some more information. It's going to be called Disney Skyliner. And here is the map showing where it's going to go. It's going to connect the Pop Century and animation, the Caribbean Beach, Hollywood Studios, a new Disney's Riviera Resort, and Epcot. That's really exciting news. I love that even the souvenir booths are made to look like toys.